Hey everybody, if you like to work in your garage doing sort of mechanical tinkering or whatever, at some point you're probably going to want to have a torque wrench. I never really thought I was going to need one until I started working with all these lithium batteries that I'm reviewing. I've got to do a torque spec for the bolts on the top to make sure that they're not too tight or too loose. So I got this really neat set from SUZUME that has 3 different torque wrenches. We've got a 1/4 inch, a 3/8, and a 1/2 inch, great big monster with a big breaker bar on it. So I can get into tight spaces or do large bolts if I ever decide to get into mechanical stuff. All you've got to do is pull down this collar, change the setting that you want, and let it go. So if you're just getting into batteries, or if you're a mechanic, check out the link down below and see if this might be the right thing for you. Thanks.